plastic surgeon, there are a couple key factors that I think you need to look for. And price shouldn't be one of them, because there's always going to be someone that's cheaper and there's always someone that's going to be more expensive. Obviously, the first thing is the doctor's credentials. As a surgeon, the only board that certifies plastic surgeons is the American Board of Plastic Surgery. If your plastic surgeon is not listed under that, then he is not certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery, and he's not a board certified plastic surgeon. Plastic surgeons undergo a rigorous training, which initially starts doing a minimum of 3 years of general surgery, and then a minimum of 3 years of plastic surgery training. So there's at least 6 years of training after medical school that you need to do to be a plastic surgeon. And during that time, we go through the training of reconstructive as well as cosmetic procedures. One of the important things when looking for a surgeon is that, can you handle the complications of any particular operation? And as plastic surgeons, we are trained to handle any complications that can arise due to our extensive training. Unfortunately, the medical law and the medical boards in the States don't kind of specify scope of practice. So there are a lot of doctors who are performing liposuction who aren't plastic surgeons. They could be dermatologists, they could be internists, they could be OBGYN doctors, and they are allowed to practice and perform these procedures as per state regulations. A lot of these doctors aren't qualified to handle any of the complications which can occur in liposuction, and their training may have been a weekend course as opposed to 6 years of extensive residency following medical school. These other physicians may be offering a cheaper price, which becomes misleading to patients, because when they're going for a cheaper price, unfortunately, if you get a bad result, it's going to wind up costing you a lot more money to fix the result, because it's a much more difficult surgery to do, revisional surgery, and it takes more time, and it's much harder to get a perfect result.